Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be creating a game in 24 hours with my friend here.
Hello!
Now, I'm the scripter, he's the builder, and we're going to be creating an entire game from scratch. As you can see, we have nothing but a base plate. We've actually tried this challenge before, but we failed miserably, and it's been about, I don't know, 3 weeks now since we tried it. I'm literally going to have 24 hours. I'm going to stay up pretty much the entire 24 hours, all the way till sunrise and sunset, and it's going to be weird to see this happen. So, anyways, be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, guys. Also, subscribe if you want to see more Roblox challenges like this one. I do a lot of development related stuff on this channel, so subscribe for that. But anyways, let's get started with the challenge. Alright, so I got the timer right here on my screen. As you can see, this is 24 hours. Actually, wait, no, it's 23 hours, 59 seconds, and 59 minutes, but it's fine. Anyways, I'm starting the timer. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and start. Okay, so we now have 24 hours on the clock ticking. I don't know why I'm already nervous. Okay.
I just want to say I'm not fancy enough to have a timer, so.
Okay, alright, well, it's fine. It's gonna be kind of crazy. I'm excited to see how this happens, but anyways, let's get started. Alright, so, first things first. So, the game idea we kind of thought of already, and basically what we want to do is sort of like a game where you have basically a bunch of plates. I know the plates are kind of bad right now. Okay, so actually isn't what it's gonna look like, but as you can see, we have a bunch of plates right here, and basically a character will spawn on each plate, and the goal is to be the last person alive. So, I feel like it'll be kind of fun, right? We'll have a bunch of different random events that happen to you, like, for example, your plate may turn into ice, or your plate may turn on fire, or you might get like a disease, you have to like pass it on to someone else, or you make it like a weapon, you know what I mean? So basically you have to kill everyone else and be the last person alive, and that's how you win. So I think it'll be pretty fun to do. I think it'll also be pretty simple to make. I should be able to make it in 24 hours, but we'll see what happens, I guess. But anyways, let's go and get started with the challenge. Intel's gonna go and start building the map. Also, the theme for this is sort of like a jungle type theme. I feel like that'd be good. I'm
gonna have to crack open the old blender.
Okay, anyways, let's get started with the challenge. I'm gonna go and start scripting. Alright, also I have a little Trello here basically so I can like write stuff down. So for example, we need like, you know, data stores, and then once I'm done with that, I'll move it to the done section, and then it's done. So yeah, Intel, you have the Trello, don't you? And then,
yeah, I have the Trello.
Okay, my friend Intel can also see it as well, so that way we're gonna be able to keep track of everything. Alright, I'll be back once I have the data stores all working. Alrighty, so it's been about 30 minutes so far, and I've gotten not too much done, but as you can see, we got the map going on right about here. It looks pretty cool so far. I mean, obviously not much here, but we do have the plates, as you can see.
Dang, harsh, bro. I'm trying.
No, I was saying, wait, what?
No, I'm just playing with you.
Okay, well, anyways, we have, like, as you can see, a little, some plates, and then we have some conveyors, and he's still building the trees and all that stuff, but yeah, just want to show you guys that. And also, let me go show you the data store real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I'm loading in right here, and I have 200 tokens, and it does save. I don't really need to show you guys, but yeah, I have data store working, which is nice, but now I'm going to start coding the actual framework for the game, probably, so yeah. Alright, guys, so it's been about 2 hours since I last talked to you guys, and we've gotten quite a bit of progress done. Intel's been doing a lot of building, and he's done a pretty good job so far. I'm honestly not sure if I initially liked this like low poly style, but I think he's gonna pull it off pretty well. We talked more about what we wanted. We're kind of trying to go in for this like jungle kind of vibe right here. I feel like it looks pretty cool. I mean, actually, I like this a lot. I mean, I'm not sure if he'll be able to pull this off right, but hopefully he does. He says he want to do this, so I guess we'll see. I'll give him some time to make it happen. Obviously, it doesn't happen, you know, instantly. But let me actually show you guys what I got done with the scripting. So you guys know I made the data store, and then I basically just coded the main framework along with a little status GUI. So let me actually show you guys how that main framework works. All right, so if you hit play, it's going to put you in the intermission, right? And for right now, obviously I have it set to like 0 players, but in the game I'll probably have it like 4 players. If there's more than 4 players, the game will start. So as you can see, it just started. And then basically it spawns in all the plates and then assigns a person each plate, and then it deletes the plate if they don't use it. Now, if you go to your players right here, you can see inside of me that I have my player plate, and it tells me what plate I have. You can see too that the plate right here has a plate owner value, so you can see who owns that's useful. Now, it's already doing the random events, and what it just did just now is grow by 2 studs, now grow by 5 studs. I also have a shrinking thing. Okay, now obviously I need a lot more events because this growing and shrinking is not enough, but I just wanted to show you guys how it works basically. Here's the code for it. It's not the best, but you know, it'll do. Now basically I have all the events in a module script, so all I need to do to add an event is just come down here, type events, and then think of some event like maybe, you know, turn plate into ice, and then the plate will be passed through, and then as you can see, the plates pass through with this function parameter right there, and then I just do plate.materials equal to ice, and then obviously I have to code like you know, like actually make the physics like ice, you know what I mean? Because you can't just, there's no like ice thing you can just do. You have to like make the custom physical properties. But anyways, that's how that works. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep coding this, and then I'll probably go ahead and code the shop pretty soon after this, and I'll check in with you guys then. But so far I think we're doing pretty good on time. I mean, we have a lot done so far, so I think we should be able to do it in 24 hours. I'm really gonna push. I swear I'll be up all night if I need to. do, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so I should probably do the checkups a little bit more often, but I've gotten a little bit more work done, so let me show you guys actually what we've gotten done. So as you can see, the map has actually had quite a bit of more progress. It's almost pretty much done, honestly, I think. I'm not sure if I like the grass stuff right here. Like, I feel like we need a little bit more trees. I think he's still gonna add those, so that's good. But I mean, overall, it looks decent. I like it. I coded these custom leaderboards right here. Actually, as you can see, they're pretty simple to make, but it'll just, you know, load and rank the top players by tokens, and this will be do by wins. I also added the wins to the leader stats up there. I don't know why I didn't know that earlier. And then also I made a little obby over here. Basically, if you're now in the lobby and you're waiting for the game to end, you want to play. While you're waiting, you can do this little obby over here. So as you can see, all right. So let's say you make it to the end of the obby. Okay, you get all the way down here and you go ahead and touch this little circle. As you can see, what happens is 15 plus tokens. It gives you the tokens, and there you go. So that's pretty cool. Obviously nothing too crazy, but it just makes it give you something to do while you're waiting. Honestly, I'm going kind of slow right now. Like, I don't know why I script so slow. Like, I feel like I just do bad whenever I'm timed. So you know, we'll see what happens though. I should be able to get it done though, and I will get it done. But I'll do more updates as we go on. Alright, so it is like 5 a.m. right now. I'm literally so tired. I'm going to take a nap, alright? I'm going to try to at least. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but hopefully I don't sleep too long because, you know, if I do, then that's going to be an issue. I don't want to sleep past, you know, the set time. As you can see, we have 9 hours left still. It has been quite a bit. You can probably tell in my voice that I sound tired. But anyways, I got quite a bit of progress done. The GUIs are done. I'm not sure if I showed you guys that. Honestly, I'm really bad at checking in with you guys, but it's just because I try to stay focused. But for some reason, whenever I get whenever I code all day long, like once you get like tired, it just like doesn't work anymore. Because like coding is like sort of like a comprehensive, like you really gotta think sometimes when you're doing stuff. You know what I mean? Like it's not something you can just really do and just like, you know, like with no effort. It's not like walking. You know what I mean? Walking, you can just move. Okay, but like coding, you have to actually like use your brain and like really think about stuff. So it's just really not easy to do when you're tired. So I'm gonna try to take a nap, see if that works. Hopefully I do not fall asleep. Honestly, I mean, the game's pretty close to being done. Literally all I need to do is just add this VIP game pass here, script a few more things, and fix up the framework a little bit more so it's not like so weird as it is right now. And then honestly, that's pretty much it. Like I'm basically done at that point, and then I need to test it a little bit more. So I think I might be able to get it. I should be able to get it done. I'm really excited to see what happens. Regardless, I'm going to publish the game. Even if it's not done, I'm going to make this go out. Alright guys, so I am back. I've been up for a little while now. I've been up for about 30 minutes. I ate breakfast and stuff. I also got a little bit more coding done. Alright, we still got 2 hours left. That's plenty of time in my opinion. I think we should be able to get this done. I have nothing to worry about now. So now what I need to go ahead and do is just literally code a few more events, and then also fix up the randomizing for the plates, because right now you get the same plate. Like you keep getting assigned the same plate no matter what. So it's kind of weird. So I feel like it'd be better if we had like random positioning, you know what I mean? So it's not like that. So then once I do that, and also once I make a few more events, we're honestly pretty much done. Then we'll go and test some bugs out, and then we'll be finished. Now also, for all of those dev product and game pass icons that you guys saw, I hired this guy here named Flash Dev from my Discord server. He did actually a very good job, honestly. As you can see here, he made these 2 game pass icons, and then he made all the dev product icons right here. He did a pretty good job, and he did it really, really fast. So shout out to this guy. I paid him a little extra for his work. But yeah, he did a good job, so that's how I got these done. Alright, so I am finally back. Now I've actually gotten so much progress done. That nap was definitely worth it. It honestly helped me work a lot faster, so I'm glad I did it. We still have 37 minutes left on the clock, so we should be good. Honestly, everything's pretty much done. Let me actually show you guys what I got done so far though. So actually, I realized I forgot to show you guys my UI, so let me actually show you guys that. Now I actually brought on my friend to help me make it because I really suck at UI. So he actually designed it for me, which is pretty nice of him. But let me show you guys actually how it works. So as you can see, you go ahead and spawn in the game. You know, you have your normal game, and you hit this button right here, and it shows you have your game pass shop, right? As you can see, you can pick a VIP, which tells you what it does. You can get 2 times tokens, and you can purchase it right there. So I already have it, and also it doesn't work on Studio, so it won't work right there. But then you have your products here too. As you can see, you can buy tokens. So if I wanted to buy 150 tokens, it costs 60 Robux. I hit buy, and then boom, I have the tokens now. So it works out actually perfectly. I actually love how this works. And also I added titles. So as you can see here, we have all these titles here, which you can buy with your tokens, and I named it coins. I'm kind of dumb, but it's fine. So you go ahead and hit buy on any of them as long as you can afford it. And there you go. I equip funny, and then boom, now I have the funny title over my head. Also, the VIP should work too. I'm gonna get that done really quick before we get this game done. And also, I forgot to show you guys the thumbnails. As you can see here, I have the entire game page out. So if you go ahead and hit Justice Jungle, you'll see all the stuff that we have. We have a cool little description here. As you can see, you have a bunch of thumbnails of the game, and you have the logo right there, which honestly looks sick too. I commissioned a guy for a logo, and he only charged me about 1,000 Robux, which is insanely cheap. He did actually a really good job for the price. Shout out to that guy. Also, I had Intel actually make a game icon for the game itself. This is actually the icon, and it looks pretty clean, honestly. That little avatar choice is kind of weird. I'm not sure why he picked that, but I mean, it looks decent. I think it matches kind of. So I'm gonna go ahead and sponsor the game now here in a second. We're actually ready to launch the game, and we beat the challenge with just 30 minutes left, which is insane. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And anyways, before you leave the video, guys, go play that game right now. Link is in the description below. Go play it. Go play it. I'm going to be there. Hope I can see some of you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the game, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.